Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove the copyright or much content basically that is shown in one of my videos that I've used one of the audio. So let's just go straight away. So what you do is, as you can see, it's not monetized, so I'm going to make that monetized very soon. So first thing first, we need to check out basically from the website that we have a right to use an audio, and I'm just going to show you briefly a little bit about the audio that I have used in this video. The audio in background, this is the one that it has been brought as a copyright, so I need to check out basically. So okay, let's just go back, and then what we need to do is just click on there, or just put the mouse over, see details, because that's what we need. So it says it's not monetized because of this particular song that we cannot monetize it. Okay, so good. We're gonna go to the website itself, and it says when we go to see details, a little bit more information about that, it does say that this company basically in behalf of the Bensound publishing sound, which I have every single right to use this song, and I'm going to show you how to. So the link for that is this one here. If you go to bensound.com/free music videos, all you need to do is just grab this. You can even find the website, I'm going to show you in a minute, but first we need to go to our video and edit our video, and we need to put that in description box. The reason I'm saying we need to put in description box is because they allow you to use the music if you give them a credit. So I'm going to go and save it. And now I'm just going one more time back. I'm going to go copyright, see details again. I'm going to go take action this time because that's what I need. And then I'm going to go to the website. This is the website, bensound.com/free music videos, and I'm going to go there. Okay, so let's just answer. This is the website. So now what I'm going to do is I will just remove this video. I will go to, you don't need to replace the song, even that you can. You don't need to completely remove the song or erase the song. And you don't, we're going to go to dispute because that's what we want. So continue. And then, a couple of more information, blah, blah. Okay, I'm going to continue. It says reason, select the main reason on which you are disputing the claim. Original content, note, license, I have permission or a license to use this claim. This is the one it's going to be. I have significantly transformed the content claim is not, and the public domain is not. So we have a license. So we're going to go and continue. And then I'm going to click on I have a permission. Now let's go to the music, and we need to use that type of music, or you can click any music you want. Example, let's just say I'm going to click on here, and I'm going to go to download. As soon as you want to download, it says clearly on the website, it says free license with attribution, which means when you click on download, it's going to ask you, basically it comes up with a download, but it asks you to copy that and put in the description same as what I did. Okay, same thing, that's what I did. In this case, you just need to find the name of the audio. The name of the audio is this one right here, Unbreakable Resolve. What we're going to do is we're just going to go there on search and just copy NV. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Enter. So we have the music there, free download. We're going to go to download, and then I'll remove because I have it downloaded already, so I don't really need. So just copy that, And as I mentioned, you need to put that onto the description box, which I already did before. So let's just see one more time if I've done it right. I think I need to change a little bit, because this is artist Lunar Year, is another artist. Save. Okay, I'm going back. So you need past this to put the name of the music that is showing up at copyright, because it's going to tell you basically who created that music. So not just they want the website link, but they want even to the name of the a person who created that music. So if you copy, you copy. Even you can pay monthly as well, to use the free copyright music, whatever, but this is what you can do anyway. So since we have everything there, we went to, I do apologize, I'm gonna have to go one more time. So take action, and I'm gonna go to dispute. I'm gonna go to continue, and I will select continue again, and then I'm gonna have to use a license for this, and then I'm gonna continue. I have permission to use a license, and then continue. Okay, so now please include your license information below. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna copy that, and I will paste it, and then I'm gonna copy the URL as well, and I will paste it. So in this case, they can check it out. My video does not infringe the claim copyright, so no. I understand, that the claim may be able to review my video and dispute, the video. And then I understand that filing fraudulent disputes may result in termination of my YouTube account. I also do understand that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my signature now. I will just not show you basically. And then I have created submit, and then I have submitted the application. So now dispute will be sent to a claimant for a review, which means, believe me or not, sometimes it takes half an hour to an hour, and then they allow to for the video to be monetized. It says YouTube does not review content ID disputes. The claimant now have 30 days to review your dispute. If they do not have responded within 30 days, the claim will be released automatically. We will send you an email to let you know the outcome. Believe me or not, it doesn't take really a month. It just takes a few hours and will be fine. So when we remove that, now is it shows this different, basically just explaining you that this is going to the claimant will review, and then will be released. And all the video below, like this one here, now they're monetized, because I've done same thing, to each of my videos. Sometime if you have claimed one video and use the same sound in a couple of other videos related to that, but you have finished it one claim and it's been successful, you won't need it to do it again. But if you use different song within the same website, it may come up with the same copyright that you may need to dispute the same way as I did. So hopefully in a couple of minutes I will stop this video, and in a couple of minutes it should be released for for monetized, and so I can show 100% that has been done. Remember about this thumbnail that I have right here. It's quick and tasty cookies delight. So the same video, I'm just going to reload it, and I will show you basically that it has been released. And that's how you dispute if you use any music from this website. Is free copyright music. So as far as you put the footer, the links basically, or the credit on your description box, you absolutely good to go. Now check it out. Gosh, it didn't take no even few minutes. I mean, it's 1941 now. I think it was 1940 when I finished it, and already now is being monetized, and this video is being monetized now. So this is how you do it. It's quite easy, straightforward. Thank you.